guys, for tonight's dinner is I am cooking tinulang manok. Kasi guys, I miss tinulang manok, and also it is very cold today. So this is good for dinner with rice. So I am using free range chicken guys. So para mas gusto kasi siya kasi mas masarap yung lasa. Ayan. Ayan guys. So kumukulo na siya. Ayan. Oh, bango guys. Masarap. Ayan. Ihuli natin guys yung spinach natin at saka bok choy. Para talaga maraming vitamins. Guys, luto na yung ating